outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends.
Hey friends, welcome back to another video, and this video is my last Christmas tree for Christmas 2025. So we are at a total of what, 4 trees? Yes, 4 trees. This one is very special. It's very dear to me because I'm like, okay, it's time to wind down. I'm already thinking about packing up the stuff, but I'm like, you know what, let me enjoy the moment. So without further ado, let me introduce to you this is my tree from last year, by the way. This is a 8-feet tree, I want to say. I think it's 8. Yes, I think it's 8. Yeah, that's the tree that we're gonna decorate, and we are gonna use red. I have a surprise for you. Let's go.
Christmas to you.
We are going in with this beautiful bowl that I just made. I love it. So this is gonna be my tree topper for this tree, and then it has a long trail. It's just gonna cascade down, and then once I put this on, I will see what amount of ornaments I want to use. But how beautiful is this?
This town, and as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Oh, Merry Christmas to you.
I use the tie strap as the hook, and I'm just gonna use one of the branches from the tree and hook it onto it so it stays in place. This ribbon really is so beautiful. I got it from Temu and I had to make it up. Was a little kind of figuring out how to make it up, but I did it based off the look that I was going for. Now the ends aren't long enough to go all the way down on the floor, so I decided to do a little ruffle design, and I love how that turned out. I had these ornaments years ago. I got them in Hobby Lobby. I think I've seen them again, and this was the idea for this tree. I wanted to do a candy cane theme, but I'm like, you know what, I already have these ornaments. I'm just gonna do red and white, and they're the deep red, so it comes in so perfect. It has the little designs on each one of the ornaments, so all of them, you know, it basically coincide with each other, and everything is just looking so well. adding these beautiful red poinsettias, they're velvet, to the tree, and this just gives the tree a different vibe. I actually wanted to add it to my first tree, but in the back of my head, I kind of knew the idea that I was going for with this tree. Now, where this tree is located, it's overlooking, it's like on a balcony. So once you walk in my home, you are seeing, your eyes just go right up. And my upstairs, the ceiling is 20 feet, so it just looks absolutely amazing. The tree downstairs is 9 feet, and I think this one is what, 8. So everything just, it's just a vibe when you walk in. I don't know how to explain it. It's just a vibe, and that was the exact look that I was going for. I kind of winged it with this tree, actually. I was back and forth with myself trying to figure out if I wanted to put it up or not, but I was like, you know what, why not? That was the original thought in my head, to have 4 trees this year. So I was like, why not? And I already had all the ornaments. Now, I did see someone in the comments mention that what she liked about my videos is that I don't go out and buy a lot of new stuff. I shop from my home. I reuse everything that I have. And that's exactly the aim. Anything that I purchased this season is in the haul, which is a few videos ago. I didn't buy anything else. So I try to reuse my stuff. And red is actually a beautiful color for Christmas. So that's why I said, you know what? I'm just going to make this tree all red with little pops of white.
I can feel it in the air. It's getting colder, but yet so warm. Before we know it, it's Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. This year, I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hope Santa won't forget it, then I won't forgive him, no. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. I love the snow and I love the scarves, the candles lighting the decade malls. But something's missing. I wonder what. This year, I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hope Santa won't forget it, then I won't forgive him, no. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you.
I'm going in with some picks. I like adding picks to my tree. It just gives it a different look, you know, just the texture of it and interest. I love when my trees have visual interest. So as y'all can see, I'm not over decorating the tree. I'm just using all large ornaments, and then with some picks and this beautiful bow, the masterpiece is everything.
Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you.
finished with the last tree. I am tidying up. I'm about to vacuum. Oh, by the way, these bags, they are the best thing ever. The best thing, storage. So let me go put this away and then vacuum and we'll be done. We are at the end of this video and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I want to remind you all the reason for the season. If you are still not in the Christmas spirit, this is your time now. Do it for yourself, do it for your family. And if you want to catch up with me on a more personal level, please go ahead and subscribe to my other channel, which is Tiana Rose Vlogs under Tiana M Rose. I will have it linked in the description for you and in the comments as well. I wish you all a happy holidays, a safe one, and take care of yourselves. I will see you all in the next video. Until next time, bye.
Whoa, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you.